what's going on, guys? This is a common problem with Yamaha R6, as you can see right here. It's a no start issue, and as much as you press the button, it will not start, and the neutral light will not be on. And the reason for that is the neutral switch went bad. And as you can see, this one right here, I can't really. This one on the left, hold on, give me 1 second. This one on the left, as you can see, hold on, focus. The one on the left is down and the one on the right is up. So that lets you know it's a spring mechanism in there. And when it hits, it makes contact and lets it know that it's not in neutral. And then when it's in neutral, it opens and lets you know it is in neutral. And it's located behind here. So yeah, quick tip on the Yamaha R6, no start.